Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. It will help the channel as we're trying to grow. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are going to be doing Dutch braids using the feed in method. So right now I am trying to get the hair in parts. I'm trying to find the center. I am going to have four braids, four tiny little braids going down the middle portion, like in a swoop curvy pattern, and you'll see that in a minute. But I'm trying to find the center of her head with the hope that when I do the two Dutch braids, they'll look even somewhat. Don't judge me, they're not twins. All right, so I'm making parts for the tiny braids that I'm going to be doing in the center. Here is a close-up of the first braid that I'm going to be doing down the center. All right, next I'm going to do the second one, starting on the side of the one that I already did. And then I'm gonna swoop around. You'll get a close-up. Pause it if you'd like, just to see a close-up of it. But I'm gonna speed this part up just so that we can get to the bigger braids. And then we're on number 3 of the braids. And I'll do one more in the back. All right, on to the fun part. You want to make sure that the hair is detangled, because as you're braiding, it will become knotted, and then that's going to be a problem. So be sure to detangle the hair. Have the brush or your comb nearby so that as you go through as well, you can be detangling. I'm adding gel to parts of her hair just so that I can have it as flat as possible when I start to braid. Going in with my brush to make sure that it's nice and flat. And then when I'm done with that, I am going to section the hair and we're gonna start feeding in. So I'm starting with smaller portions of hair. As I feed in, the braid gets bigger as I move toward the back of her head. So you're adding more hair. The hair gets thicker is what I'm trying to say. And you want to make sure you have your comb or your brush close by so that you can detangle, because her hair is thick. I'm going to put a rubber band halfway down so that we can curl the ends. All right, folks, we are going to repeat that on the other side. So let's go. Start with our hair, and then you're going to feed in, adding small portions. It gets bigger as you get toward the back of our head. while you're braiding, you gotta make sure you keep your grip, because if you lose your grip, then you have to let go and grab it all over again, like what's about to happen here in 2 seconds. All right, there you go. So I lost grip, and I'm gonna take this all down, not the entire thing, just the 2 feed-ins that I did, and then we're gonna get back on the horse. Not pulling it all out, we're just taking that one out, and we're gonna do it again, or keep going rather. Find a spot to begin, and we're gonna keep going. All right, I'm gonna braid down a little, and then we are going to curl the ends using the hair, and I'm also gonna be using thread. So let's do edges, because you know the finish is everything. So we're gonna do edges, add some mousse, and then we're gonna tie it down. So on the left, we used the thread, and then on the right side, we used pieces of the hair. I like the right side better. The only drawback with the hair is that when you are ready to cut, you can't tell which is which. So if you're using a different color hair, it probably would be better, but the hair does give a better curl than the thread. All right, so she's gonna go with this overnight, and then we are going to put some hot water, take out the curls tomorrow, and then show you the finished look. All right, we're taking it down. And that's what it looks like, you guys. It's all done. All done. All done. What are your thoughts?
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.